Hello all, welcome to a new video on logic design. In this video, I have explained the fundamentals of Boolean algebra, that is the axioms and laws of Boolean algebra. To solve a Boolean expression, we have to apply these axioms and laws. Therefore, this topic is very important. The axioms are the outcome of an operation performed by a logic gate. The basics of logic gates have already been discussed in one of my previous videos. I have published a few videos on the solutions of the previous year question papers and also a few videos on the selected topics from the course of logic design. The links of all those videos have been given in the description box. So let us move on to the video. What are axioms and laws of Boolean algebra? Axioms or postulates of Boolean algebra are a set of logical expressions accepted without any proof. Axioms are the definition of the three basic logic operations. Which are the three basic logic operations? AND operation, OR operation and NOT operation. That is AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate operations. The first four axioms comes under AND operation, that is axiom 1, 2, 3 and 4. Axiom 1 is 0 into 0 equal to 0, axiom 2 is 0 into 1 equal to 0 and axiom 3 is 1 into 0 equal to 0 and axiom 4 is 1 into 1 is equal to 1. So these four axioms comes under AND operation. Coming to the next four axioms, that is axiom 5, 6, 7 and 8. These axioms comes under OR operation, that is 0 plus 0 equal to 0, 0 plus 1 equal to 1, 1 plus 0 equal to 1 and 1 plus 1 is equal to 1. The next two axioms, that is axiom 9 and 10, comes under NOT operation, that is 1 bar is equal to 0, that is complement of 1 is equal to 0 and 0 bar equal to 1. Complement of 0 is equal to 1. So these two axioms comes under NOT operation. Now coming to the laws, the first law is a plus 0 equal to a. That is, a is having two possibilities. Either it can take the value 1 or 0. Suppose you substitute the value 1 for a, that is if a is equal to 1, you will get 1 plus 0 which is equal to 1. Suppose if you substitute the value 0 for a, you will get 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. That means whatever values you substitute for a, you will get that value itself as the output. Therefore, a plus 0 is equal to a. The next law is 1 into a is equal to a. Here also, if you substitute the value 1 for a, you will get 1 into 1 which is equal to 1. Similarly, if you substitute the value 0 for a, you will get 1 into 0 is equal to 0. So whatever values you substitute for a, either 1 or 0, you will get the same value as the output. And the next law is a into 0 is equal to 0. Anything multiplied with 0 is equal to 0. Now coming to the idempotent laws, the first law is a plus a is equal to a. That is, we can write this a plus a as a plus a into a plus a bar. What is a plus a bar? A plus a bar is equal to 1. So this is like a plus a is multiplied with 1. So it doesn't make any difference here. It is equivalent to a plus a itself. This is equal to, now we have to multiply this a plus a with a plus a bar. So that you will get a into a, that is written here, plus this first term a into the second term here, a into a bar plus this a into a, that is a into a plus a into a bar. What is a into a bar? A into a bar is equal to 0. A into A bar is equal to 0 and A into A is equal to A. So that you can write this expression as, we can reduce that expression into A plus A. That is, A into A is A plus, this is 0, A dot A bar is 0, A dot A is equal to A itself plus A dot A bar is equal to 0. Therefore, you will get A plus A, which is equal to A into 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 1 itself. We have seen that in the axioms. 1 plus 1 is equal to 1. Therefore, A into 1 plus 1 is equal to A. Now coming to the second law, A into A is equal to A. So you can write this as A into A plus 0. A into A plus 0 is A into A itself. It doesn't make any difference for the expression. Now, A dot A bar is equal to 0. A dot A bar is equal to 0, so that you can write this expression as A dot A plus A dot A bar. Instead of 0, you will write A dot A bar. Now take this A outside, it is common in both, so that you will get A into A plus A bar. What is A plus A bar? A plus A bar is equal to 1 and A dot A is equal to A dot A bar equal to 0. So here A into A plus A bar is equal to 1, which is equal to A itself. Coming to the next law, that is absorption laws. The first law is A plus AB is equal to A. Here A is common in both the terms. So take A outside so that you will get A into 1 plus B, which is equal to A into 1. Anything added, any variable added with 1 will give you 1 itself. That is 1 plus C is 1, 1 plus B is 1, 1 plus A equal to 1. Therefore, A into 1, which is equal to A. This is the second law. A into A plus B is equal to A. Here you have to multiply these terms. A into A plus A into B is equal to A into A is A itself plus A into B, we have written it as it is, and we know that according to the first law, A plus AB is equal to A. That is, A plus AB is equal to A. Now let us see the next law, that is A plus A bar B is equal to A plus B. This is a very important law because we apply this law in most of the Boolean expressions. So A plus A bar B is equal to A plus B. Here you can note that the first variable A plus the complement of the first variable A bar into another variable B is equal to A plus B. For example, x plus x bar C is equal to x plus C. Here the first variable is x plus complement of the first variable x bar into another variable C is equal to x plus C. Here instead of x we have used A here, instead of C we have used B here. Another example is A plus C plus A plus C bar into B is equal to A plus C plus B. That is, this is taken as one term, that is A plus C plus complement of that is A plus C bar into B is equal to A plus C plus B. Here A plus A bar B, this A plus A bar B is written here. A plus A bar B can be written as A into 1 plus B plus A bar B. How? 1 plus B is nothing but 1 itself. Any variable added to 1 is 1 itself. That is 1 plus A is 1, 1 plus C is 1, 1 plus B is 1. So you can write this A as A into 1 plus B because 1 plus B is equal to 1. A into 1 is 1 plus a bar b. Now this can be written as a into 1 is a plus a into b is ab plus a bar b. This is equal to a plus, in these two terms b is common. B is common in these two terms. Therefore, take b outside so that you will get b into a plus a bar, which is equal to, what is a plus a bar? A plus a bar is equal to 1. That is b into 1. So that you will get a plus b, this term. Now coming to the last law, that is a into a bar plus b is equal to ab. This is the complement of the previous law, that is a plus a bar b is equal to a plus b. Wherever the or symbol is there, that is changed to and. This a bar dot b, if nothing is written in between, that means it is dot or into. A bar into b is written as a bar plus b and is changed to or, which is equal to a or b is written as ab, that is a and b. So this law is the complement of this law. Thanks for your time.